Good morning. Please state and spell your name for the record.
Rita Merrit, Ritamerritt.
Please raise your right hand. I'll swear you in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that any testimony you give today shall be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Please proceed.
Good morning, Ms. Merritt.
Good morning.
You're a little soft-spoken, and we're trying to make sure that that microphone picks up everything you say. So you can lean in and talk a little bit about it. Be helpful. Can you please introduce yourself to the jury?
I'm Rita Merrit.
Did you know Michael Shaver?
I did,
How did you know him?
through my husband, Frank Merritt.
And how long did you know him?
For about 6 months or so.
And were your families friendly? Did you socialize together?
Yes, sir, a couple times.
And did you ever go over to his house, to Michael Shaver's house, to visit or socialize with Michael Shaver, his wife, and their kids?
Yes, sir.
And did you socialize at other locations other than either of your homes?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever met Laurie Shaver?
Yes, sir.
And did you meet her through Michael and your husband?
Yes, sir.
Do you see her and recognize her in the court today?
Yes, sir.
Can you point her out and just describe something she's wearing?
The tan jacket.
Now, did you meet Michael or Laurie first?
Actually, I met them together.
And I want to take you back to November 7th of 2015. Did you see Michael and Laurie Shaver that day?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. And where did you see them?
At the Florida Flywheeler show.
What kind of event was that?
It was an event that had like old steam engines and tractors and kind of like a swap meet type of place.
Who all was there as far as your family and their family?
Mike and Laurie, their 2 kids, Aiden and Isabel, my husband Frank, my daughter Carly, and myself.
And did you see Michael and Laurie Shaver interacting together?
Yes, sir, when we first got there.
And what was the demeanor of those individuals while you were there?
Objection. Just calling the witness to speculate on the mental process of another individual.
It's an individual's lay opinion of another individual's demeanor. So,
Still causing their mental impression.
all right, overruled. You may answer.
Describe their demeanor.
It seemed to be there was some tension between them.
Why would you say that?
Well, when we got there, we met up, and it was like, I don't know what happened. They just weren't their friendly selves.
Now, at some point, did Mike, Laurie, and their kids leave without you and your husband and your daughter?
Yes.
And just to be clear, you guys arrived separately in different vehicles.
Yes.
Now, on that day, was that the last time that you either spoke or saw Michael Shaver?
Yes.
When you were over at their house, did you ever observe anything that was being utilized as a fire pit?
No.
In the backyard, was there an area where the family had started some sort of construction of something that they wanted to put in there?
Mike had talked about digging a duck pond. They had ducks and chickens and stuff, and he had talked about digging a duck pond for his ducks.
And had that excavation, had that hole started to be dug while you were over there socializing?
The last time we were there was in September, the last time I was there, and I don't believe at that time that he had started it, but we did talk about it.
I have nothing further at this time, Judge.
All right, Mr. Wiggs.
Yes, may it please the court.
Yes, sir.
Now, ma'am, you testified that y'all socialized, correct?
Yes.
Okay. You never observed a murder, correct?
I'm sorry?
You never observed a homicide,
No, sir.
okay? The most you're saying is y'all went out to some truck show, I believe, and that somebody was in a bad mood?
Yes.
Okay. That would cause you to speculate about their mental thoughts, correct?
Objection, Your
No, sir.
No? Did somebody say, I'm in a bad mood?
No, sir.
Okay. Did it occur to you somebody may have health issues?
Health issues? No, sir.
How was the temperature?
It was early in the morning, so it wasn't that warm then, but as the day went by, it got pretty heated, yes.
Very hot, did it not?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So your conclusion, somebody was in a bad mood, doesn't take into consideration other factors such as those, correct? Health issues, temperature outside, correct?
Correct.
And they surely don't relate to any homicide that was committed, correct?
I would say no.
Thank you.
Any follow-up? No, sir. May the witness be excused from her subpoena? Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you for appearing today. You're excused from further testimony. Have a good day.
Your Honor, can Mr. Wiggs and I approach real quick?
Yes, sir. All right. Please proceed.
The state calls John Borglum.